Hello everyone. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, gozaimasu. Здравствуйте, привет, dzień dobry, Buna from Romania, of course, and also hello from Germany, and Xin Chao from Vietnam, and Salam Alaikum and Marhaban. Welcome to my channel. My name is Brunel. We are at languages number 15. 15. So 5 more to go before we get to the target of 20. By the way, if your language is not included, then do let me know. I might be able to add it. I think I've done Eastern European a lot. I've also done part of Southeast Asia. I might be able to add Korean to that as well. And yeah, I'm looking to expand. So if you want your language included, do let me know. So it is included. Never mind that. Now that we've got the greeting out of the way, make a revolution. We've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count on that level. 4 eyeshadow palettes, of which there are 15 shades on the inside. They are the reloaded iconic palettes, and I've decided 4 days, 4 different eyeshadow palettes, 4 reviews, and also different looks and demos, so you get to see and you can decide for yourself whether they're worth buying or not. They retail for £4. Oh my god, £4, amazing. Anyway, I purchased mine from a Superdrug store. You can also buy it online from Town Beauty, or you can pop into your Superdrug, but I'll probably advise you to contact your your Superdrug store first and double check if they have them in stock, because not all of them I've got them available just yet. Okay, so starting with the first one is day number 1. This is the one here. This is the Newtrals 2 palette, and to me, basically, this is the least neutral of the lot. So I don't know why they call this one neutral, but lots and lots of pinks. It's the look, and yes, so you've got here 15 shades, and you've got 1, 2, 3, actually mainly 2 shimmery shades, and the others are matte. This one has got slight shimmer to it, but the main ones are these ones, which are, oh, actually tell a lie, naughty, 1, 2, 3. I can count, I promise you. These are the mostly shimmery one, which one's got a slight sheen to it. The others are all matte here. Then the next one that we've got is this one, which is iconic Vitality, and this one has got obviously lots of neutral shades here, warm shades, got a couple of sort of brown, light browns here, but you've got a couple of pinks here if you want to vary the look. So that one, and how many? This one has only got 2. Actually, this one's got a slight shimmer, but it's only very mild. The most shimmery one is this one, and this as well. So mainly 2 shades, which are what I would call as shimmer shades. And also the next one, this one, Fever, feeling very hot. Anyway, so this one is iconic Fever, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, it's got more shimmer shades in here than the others. 5 shades, and of course you've got here lots of warm tones. You've got some touches of red here as well, but they're deep reds. I'm not really good at describing things. Actually, you've got some reds here, touches of red here, or copper, if you want to call it a better. Copper is probably more appropriate. So yeah, so that's that one. And then the final one, as I said, I'm not great at describing colors, but you can see for yourself, so what does it matter how I describe it? Anyway, so this one here, more green undertone. This one is actually called Division, and it's got lots of greens in here, dark green here, but the shimmer shades are mainly the gold one and the green one, and this one here has got a tiny bit of shimmer there, which will be a great highlighter shade to use, and it's got a couple of yellows here, a bright yellow and a slightly darker yellow as well, and it's got a touch of burgundy there as well. So this one is a more versatile of the lot and less neutral. It's got different color shades, but more green. So the aim is to be uploading every day for the next 4 days and give you demos and swatches of each different eyeshadow palette, so you can judge for yourself if you want to buy all of them or just some of them. So if you are interested in the first one that we tried out, which is Newtrals 2, then keep on watching. So we're going to get started as usual. Face is not done yet, and yeah, so let's see. First shade I'm going to try, let's see, we'll try this particular shade here. Making sure that it's on the screen, you can see that. And the brush that I'm using is from BH Cosmetics, and just number 12. It's just a big fluffy brush, and I'm just dabbing that in. There's quite a bit of fallout. There's a lot that comes on the brush, and so you have to be super gentle when you are doing this with a brush. So let's just see. Yeah, so there's a bit of fallout, and just applying that all over just the top of the crease area. Just bring some warmth to the look. Disappears nicely, and I've got a bit of fluff stuck to my eyelash, but it disappears nicely, blends in super nice, doesn't feel too powdery, and I can see there is quite enough colour payoff, and straight away I can tell that it's also very, very buildable. Sometimes you can just tell whether something is buildable or not. Next we're going to try another shade, and well, I think I'm going to branch into pinky type. This one here, very pretty, and let's dab it and see. Not bad, less fallout than the first shade, but this is how much colour payoff there is, and just flick it. Yeah, you can see it's a lot less dusty, and the brush that I'm using is a Morphe E27, just slightly smaller, and I'm going to start building it from the outer and eventually take it into the inner corner. I'm just taking it just above the crease area. Not bad. It's not too intense, but there's enough colour payoff here. Probably a little bit less intense than I was expecting, but it's not bad at all. And at the end of the day, it's £4. Can't complain at all. Next, we're going to move on to the really pink ones now. So I'm going to try, let's see. Should I? Yeah, okay, we'll try this particular shade here. And let's see, I'm using the same brush now. Ooh, there's quite a lot of colour payoff. Not as much fallout, actually hardly any fallout, but quite a bit colour payoff though. Yeah, just a little bit of dust. I'll say dust, but you know what I mean. And starting from the outer edge, woo, now you can start to see the colour. I'm just concentrating that on my crease area. Oh yeah, this one is very, very pigmented. Since it's such a pink palette, it would have been a crime not to go for a pink look, wouldn't it? Look at that, that is really, really, yeah, that's a lot of colour. Brilliant actually for £4. Moving on, next we're going to go to this deeper shade which I've been digging into accidentally. This one here, and again I'm just using now just a smaller brush, and woo, now there's a lot of color payoff for this one. There's a bit more fallout than the other, so yeah. And it's starting again from the outer edge. I'm just going to concentrate this one. Whoa. This is very, very pigmented, and I'm just going to concentrate that on the outer part of my eye, and then blend it outward just about halfway, not all the way, but just about halfway. This is so pigmented, very, very nice. All right, now we're playing with the shimmers, so I'm going to start off actually with this dark one here at the corner, and just using my finger. Oh yeah, I'm just going to apply that on the outer edge. Woo! Oh wow. And bring that about halfway across my eye. You see how pigmented that is, and you only need your finger. And forget my nails, I need to take them off. So that's why I haven't bothered doing them. It's going to happen this week, but my goodness, look at that. This is so well pigmented. Wow. Next we're going to move to this one here before we have to do our inner corner of the eye, and that's this one, but this bright one here. And I'm going to try and apply that with a small, oh, do you know what, that's never going to work. Right, we're going to try it with the same finger, and let's see. And again, pack that on. Let's see how much colour payoff there is with that one. Okay, not as much as the other one. Let's try it with a brush and see if that makes any difference. Now, quite a bit of it comes off of the brush, and it's super soft. That's a bit better. Yeah, okay, that's a bit better. And let's see whether I'm still not quite happy with it, and let's see if I can wet the brush, see if that makes any difference. I've soaked the brush into oblivion. Needs more work, this one, that particular shade. So far, I'd say it's the most difficult shade out the whole lot. Okay, so far so good. So this one was actually the hardest shade, as I said, to actually mix up. However, all I needed was a good brush. I was using the wrong brush really, which is that the hair itself is just too short. Needed something a bit softer, slightly longer, as you can see, to make a big difference. And I didn't have to wet that particular brush at all. So that's you know, there you go. You live and learn. So I'm just going back in now to blend everything together and make it look a bit more seamless. Trying my best to make it look good. Yeah, whatever. Nearly done. Almost final shade is this one here. I'm going to use this bright one. We might as well go mad with pink and apply that on the under eye area and see how much. Ooh, okay. As you can see, it's nice and bright. We are definitely on a pink theme here. Yeah, very, very pigmented, super bright. Yeah, this is not normally the kind of look that I would go for, but hey, you got to test out the palette, haven't you? Alright, so I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then what I'm going to do is finish off the rest of my face on camera. And then let you know my thoughts. See you in a moment. And voila, my face is all finished. I decided to put another color, which is this one here on the inner corner of my eyes, and this is the finished look. So let's make it nice and quick because we don't want the video to take too long. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. £4, super pigmented. If you're into your pinks and you know and reds, this is definitely a palette well worth getting. It is well pigmented, as you saw from the swatches. Maybe there was 1 or 2 shades where I needed to go back in, but I actually swatched with my fingers. I'm not an expert when it comes to swatching, but it is so nicely pigmented, and this is the look that was created. So to me, absolutely bloody worth getting. Anyway, so this is day number 1 of look number 1 with this particular palette. So therefore, I shall see you tomorrow, and as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I do appreciate it, as I keep on saying, and I shall see you tomorrow. 6 o'clock is when it's going to be uploaded. See ya.